In today's video, we'll be creating some content on the Samsung Portable SSD T9. So if you're a content creator and looking for the perfect portable SSD, by the end of this video, you will know if this is the best portable SSD for you. The content that we'll be creating today is a full YouTube video, a short form video, and a thumbnail. So I'll be doing some video editing alongside some photo editing all on the Samsung T9 Portable SSD. Alright, so already I have everything sorted out on my computer. The video, the pictures, the project files, everything that I need to create these contents. Now I'm going to transfer everything over to the Samsung Portable SSD T9. Guys, so that file just now is like 20 gigabytes big, and it took like less than 30 seconds to transfer over, so that was pretty fast. Alright, now we're going to start to edit the YouTube video. I already did my voiceover. Now I just need to add my video, so let's get cooking. So just a quick update while I'm editing this video right here. So as you can see, I can scrub through the timeline, no problems, and this is all from the Samsung T9. If you look here, you can see the light blinking, and that means that the SSD is actually working. So all this right here is directly from the Samsung T9, and just look how I'm able to scrub through the timeline freely, and it is actually keeping up, like no problems at all. Like just look at that. Even right here, I did like a speed up time lapse, and it's working pretty good. Like look at that, and I'm not even done yet, but let's continue editing, guys. Alright, so finally we're done editing the YouTube video. I like to do a render before I export, just so I can preview my video in full quality. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm pleased with this YouTube video that I edited. Now let's go ahead and export this. The location that we're exporting this full YouTube video to is a Samsung T9 Portable SSD also. So the video is done exported, and I believe that took like 1.5 hours. I'll try to put how long it took on screen, but I believe it took like 1.5 hours. And as you can see, that right there was in total 5.32 gigabytes. So 1.5 hours for 5.3 gigabytes. That's pretty fast. And one thing to note, I was exporting using the VBR 2-pass. So because it's 2-pass, it's basically it export 2 times and then compare and see which one is the better one. I think that's how it works. But either way, it export 2 times. So if I put it to like 1 VBR pass, so 1 pass right here, if I put it to 1 pass, it would be done really quick. Like it would probably take half that time, which would be like a 45 minutes or so. So yeah, that's the export time right there. And also the export time also depend on my computer, and as you can see, I don't have the fastest and the greatest computer out there. Also, it's not the slowest, but it's not the fastest either. So yeah, I think it did pretty good. Alright, now let's edit the short form video. I already did my voiceover for the short form video also. Now I just need to add my footage and code this video. I'm done editing this video. Let's render our timeline to preview this short form video in full. Yeah, this video is fire. Now let's export the short form video to the Samsung T9 Portable SSD. Alright, now let's edit the thumbnail on the Samsung Portable SSD T9. I like to edit my thumbnail in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Lightroom. If you don't realize by now, I am an Adobe user. I just think that using Adobe makes your workflow so much easier. Alright, these thumbnails are really fire. let's go ahead and export them to the Samsung T9 Portable SSD. Alright, here are my final thoughts. If you watched the entire video, you must have realized that this portable SSD from Samsung is super fast for content creation. I don't have any issues with it. I am using the 1TB version, but you can also get it in 2TB and 4TB. A link will be down in the description, so go ahead and check it out if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.